I'm just going to approximately find the center. You'll notice I have this setting on a cardboard box, and I'm just going to drill enough to make a mark. And then I'm going to take off this piece here. Then I'm going to drill through this side until I feel the drill bit start to come out the front side. Then you immediately turn it over and start drilling through the front, just big enough for the pull string tool to fit in. And you want it to fit in, not just past the threads, but all the way past this little shoulder area. That way, if you look at the front, you'll notice that the connection piece there is actually inside the plastic front of the light, so no pressure is put on the plastic pieces of the light. All the pressure is transferred to the back piece right here.